Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make your Snapchat account private. So if you also want to make your Snapchat account private, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So actually in the Snapchat, there is no direct way to make your account private, but there are few privacy settings that you can change in order to limit who can see your content. It is basically like making your account private. So for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Snapchat has been opened. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find your profile icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to see your profile over here. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. Scroll down in this interface. Find the section for privacy control. Under this section, you'll be able to find several privacy settings over here. First of all, what you have to do is tap on the option Contact Me. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, you can see over here, Friends and Contacts is selected. Make sure to select the first option, that is Friends. Now you can see over here, this kind of pop-up will appear. Your contacts will no longer be able to show up in your chat tab. Conversations with your contact that might already appear in your feed can be cleared individually. If you turn this option on, only your friends will be able to send you messages and snaps. Simply tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, friends will be selected. Now simply go back. Now over here, what you have to do is find the option for See Me in Quick Add. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for Show Me in Quick Add. If this option is checked, people will be able to see you in Quick Add. All you have to do is uncheck this option. Simply tap on this box that you can see right over here. After that, your account will no longer be shown in the Quick Add. Now simply go back. Now after you adjust these privacy settings, your account will be private. So that is how you make your Snapchat account private. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.